Hi guys, in this lecture I gonna tell you how you can optimize your blog post using Yoast SEO. So without any wasting time, let's get started. So in last lecture we successfully set up our Yoast SEO. So hover on post and click on all post, and here we have only one article here, which is a pre-default article of WordPress. Click on trash to delete it. So right now click on add new on the top. This is area you can add your article. We have a new blog, we don't have a content. For our learning purposes, I will copy any content from any website and show you how you can optimize a blog post by using Yoast SEO. But in your case, you have to write your own article. Don't copy any content and any article from any website. I am doing for only teach you. That's all. I type top 5 ways to make money online and choose any website just like this. Simply copy the title. The paragraph starts from here. Simply copy the first paragraph and paste it here. Okay, then we copy the first bullet point and again paste it here. Okay, and then copy the second bullet point we have a second bullet point and copy third bullet point, copy fourth, copy the last one. So now our article is complete. So now I show you how you can optimize your website. Scroll down and you can see the Yoast SEO section. Under SEO you can see focus key phrase. Here you can enter your main keywords. So what is our main keyword here? Top 5 practical ways to make money online. Make sure you have a long tail keyword. Long tail keyword always helps you in SEO. Simply copy and go down, paste it here. Before pasting it, I will show you something. On the right hand side, you can see the Yoast SEO drop down menu. You can see the readability analysis. Okay, that means our content is readable. But the second is SEO analysis, which shows needs improvement. That means we have to work on it. So how we can work on it, I will show you right now. So paste the keyword here, and now you can see after pasting it, Yoast SEO turn into OK. So that's how you can improve your SEO by using Yoast SEO. So next we have preview. This is a preview section. So this is how your blog post preview in Google. You can see the mobile result. You can also see the desktop result. And next is edit snippet. So here you can see the 3 options. The first is SEO title. You can change the SEO title like title, page, separator, site title. Like first is title. This is our title here. Top 5 practical ways to make money online for beginners. The next is page. Okay, this is a page or blog post, and then we have a separator, and this is a separator here, and this is a site title, learn skills. And you can also read this. If you don't want site title, you can see the learn skills has deleted. So basically this is a different type of variable. You can see here insert variable and select site title. It again appeared. As simple as that. So next we have a slug. Slug is same like your focus keyword. So simply copy your focus keyword and paste. It's nothing more to tell. Next is very important, meta description. What is meta description? This is a meta description. Under title, here the meta description. The meta description are preview under title. You can simply take from the first paragraph of your article. Like this, and paste it here. So now it show you the orange line. That means we have a extra length. Just delete the sum part. It show green color. Here you can see it's appear under the title. But guys, make sure one thing, you should add focus keyword in your meta description to rank your website faster. So what you do, you can simply write your own meta description here. I'm gonna show you. So now you can get idea how you can use main keyword in meta description. So next we have a SEO analysis. Here is your readability score. You can see some problems which is on red color, and you can see some good points which is on green color. We have to put all the things into green. We have to turn all the bullet lights into green color so that we can achieve our SEO score better. So now I am going to turn red line into green line step by step. So first is outbound links. We don't have a outbound links here. So now I am going to add a outbound links. So go the paragraph. First I'm gonna show you what is outbound link. Here you can see some company name. So simply select the keyword here, Amazon. Here you can see the link here. Simply bound this into Amazon website. And next we have a Flipkart. Same, go to link and bound this with a Flipkart website. So now go down and let's see. Now you can see the light change into green. Good work. We have successfully added in our article. You can simply add a third-party websites with your article. This is called outbound links. So next we have internal links. So now I'm going to show you how you can turn into green. Here you can see blogging. Select this. Go to link with your website. Yeah, and again choose any keyword here. Which you think is suitable for your website. And again link with your website. Okay, so now go down. Here you can see make sure to add some more. You can link the other articles of your website with this current article. I'm going to add another article on my website. Here I am going to choose any article. And copy and save it by publishing. And here you can see the post address. Copy this and go to the website and paste this with any text here. And now you can see your internal links is turned into green. You have enough internal links. Good job. So this is how you can add internal links. You can link your other post with this article. It's called internal links. So next we have Key phrase in introduction. Your key phrase or its synonym do not appear in the first paragraph. So that means we have to put our main keyword in our introduction. So what we have to do, go to top and copy this. Hi there, tired of finding the right way? Replace this with your main keyword. Tired to finding top 5 practical ways to make money online. And here are the top 5 ways to make money online. So this is how you can add the main keyword in introduction. Now I'm gonna show you. Yeah, turned into green. Well done. Simply add your main keywords in introduction. Or you can also add the synonyms. I recommend you to add the main keyword 2 to 3 times in your introduction. So next we have a keyword intensity. So what is keyword intensity? The focus key phrase was found 2 times, only 2 times. That less than the recommend minimum of 4 times for a text of the length. So that means we have to add 2 times more the main keyword in the whole article. So the same trick apply here. So now write 2 or 3 lines which contains your main keyword twice. I hope this article helped you. Give the name of the article in to get knowledge about again paste it top 5 practical ways to make money online and full stop. Here you can see key phrase intensity. The focus key phrase was found 4 times. This is great. So this is how you can increase the keyword intensity. And click on document. Here you can see SEO analysis good. So now you can see the most of the bullet points we have successfully turned into green. So next we have key phrase in meta description. The meta description has been specified but does not contain the key phrase. Fix it. So mainly this is our meta description. We have a main keyword of top practical ways to make money online, and we have a 2 times make money online. So that means we have already used 2 times make money online. So that means we have already have main keyword in our meta description. We don't need to change it. Sometime it shows but don't need to change it. So next is image alt description. So I'm going to add a image here, a featured image. Add any image. Like this is also very good. And this is, you can see, alt text. Put the main title in alt text and set featured image. And after that you can see it's turned into green. Good job. So this is how you can change all the things into green. And next we have a key phrase length. It's showing the key phrase is 5 words long. We have a long keyword. It's more than the recommend maximum of 4 word. They are recommending the 4 word length, but we have a 5 word. So don't worry about anything. I'm always prefer long tail keyword instead of short keyword. So ignore it, the both one. We have a already main keyword in our meta description and we have a long tail keyword, so we don't need to remove one word. So you can see this is our long tail keyword. This is how you can use Yoast SEO. So now you can see the score, it's showing good. So this is how you can turn all the things into green. So I hope this lecture is really helps you to do Yoast SEO and rank your website faster in Google. And now you can see our post look like this in our search engine with the featured image. Scroll down in the bottom, you can see the ad related key phrase. You can use this, but you need to get SEO premium. This is the last two option. This is not very useful, and this is all about the premium SEO. So guys, this is how you can do SEO for your blog by using Yoast SEO plugin in WordPress. This is the best technique to do SEO for your blog. Thank you so much for watching this lecture. I will see you in my next lecture.